Damn, cinco tiene. Going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're not only the work of this beautiful MKT, my life as well. Now we are going to go to Street Speed 717 and his friend's McLaren delivery party. When I saw that white and black Lamborghini, I was like, you know what? I barely go out, you know what I'm saying? Let's go and see these Lamborghinis because it looks so freaking amazing. I've never seen a Gallardo before. They have two, white and black. So I hope to have it in the front so I can record them. I want to get Jonathan Turner's book. Maybe take a picture with him, sign it. And I may get some merch, I'm not sure. But yeah, because I'm wearing my own merch, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just gonna go see those Lambos and get out of the city, you know, see something different. Anyway, we're on the way, let's go. Check out this decorations from my building. Can you guys hear that? Can you guys hear it? Por aquí. Guys, there you have it. We lifted the G. There was no visual problem that I could see with the G on the ground, so I went to my wife's uncle, which he had a little shop there, and he lifted it for us so we could look under it. And when we did, we found those 5 bumps on the inner well of the tire. I don't know why it was in the inner part, because usually it happens in the outer part and you can see it. But this was like in the inner side and like towards the edge of the flat of the tire. It was weird, and that's why it was going up and down and doing the bumps, because it was like going into the flat space. And as you saw, the biggest one was the size of my hand, which was insane. I've never seen a bump that big on a tire ever. And a special shout out to New Jersey potholes, cause you, sir, yes, it is its own identity. Because those things were bad. But when we got out of that area and we went back on the highway, that's when I noticed all the thumping. And I was 100% sure that the G was not bumping before. But we continued just in case it was just, you know, some weird things with the G. And then we continued, and then we stopped at a Burger King, we ate, and the thumping was still there. I was like, nah, this is not normal. This is not. I was like, honey, I really want to go to this event and get a picture with Jonathan Turner and some merch by Street Speed, but I was like, nah, this is unsafe. And we still had 2 more hours to go while still in Fort Lee. So like, nah, this is not safe, honey. So we came back, thankfully, and we avoided major problems. Who knows, man? We could have, you know, God forbid, got into an accident or something. You know, the tire might have popped and I could have, you know, swerved to the left or something. I don't know. You just never know with these like bumps under tires. So thank God nothing happened. I'm all safe. My wife is safe. So if you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video. And if you're new, please consider subscribing because you don't want to miss this build, which is the Montero Sport. That's going to be an engine swap with a Hemi. Or I was thinking now, I might go Hellcat engine. How about that? You guys really want to see a Montero Sport with a Hellcat engine and 4x4? I would love to run a Trackhawk once I do that mod. Or if you want to stick around to see the G35, currently the Batmobile, be changed into the Vader, then stick around for that too, because that is coming to the channel. You have to be a little bit patient with me, because you guys know my situation. Anyway, until next time, guys, God bless. Stay safe out there. Peace.